Today we're making a classic Italian dish, Spaghetti Bolognese. Simple, delicious, and perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 400 grams of spaghetti, 500 grams of ground beef, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 carrot, 1 celery stalk, 800 grams of canned diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and optionally, a splash of red wine. First, we finely chop the onion, garlic, carrot, and celery. These ingredients will form the flavorful base of our bolognese. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until translucent. Then, add the carrot and celery and sauté for about 5 minutes. Now add the ground beef. Brown it until it's nice and crumbly. Make sure it doesn't stick to the pan. Then add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and sauté briefly to release its flavor. Now add the oregano, basil, salt and pepper to the pan. Now, pour in the diced tomatoes. If you like, you can also add a splash of red wine. It adds even more depth of flavor. Let everything simmer on low heat for 30 minutes so that the flavors combine well. While the bolognese simmers, you can cook the spaghetti according to the package directions in salted water. Now, season the bolognese to taste with salt and pepper. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain it and divide it among plates. Now pour the bolognese over the spaghetti and the dish is ready to enjoy. And there you have your perfect spaghetti bolognese, an absolute classic that always goes down well. Have fun cooking and enjoy your meal. Subscribe for more recipes.